Christmas is tomorrow and you still need a gift, run out to Dollar Tree, Walmart, Dollar General, or whatever, and get some kind of candle that has either a wooden top or an anodized aluminum, metal, whatever top that you can engrave with your laser. This took 1 minute and cost $5. These ones came from Walmart. And this one took 20 seconds and cost $3, and this one came from the Dollar Tree, and they honestly smell great. But being able to do a very last minute engraving on these candles has saved my butts for countless years of doing this, because it's a super busy time and it's really easy to forget a gift for someone, especially if it's like teachers, co-workers, distant family members, and friends. So I want to show you how easy it is to do, so let's jump into it. So we are here in xTool Studio, and you can see I have taken a picture of my laser bed here. In order to do that, you come and click this little camera and it will refresh the background to update it. Obviously this didn't change because there's nothing there. And so we have a bunch of different artwork here. We have this Merry Christmas one and some other ones that I'll show you in a little bit. But let me just go through the settings that we're going to use for this project. We are going to use the IR light. We're going to do 80% power, 1800 speed, and 300 lines per centimeter. And a pro tip for you is come up here to device settings and then turn on this infrared ray preheat, just so you get a nice even engraving. I got these set of candles from the Dollar Tree for $3 a piece, and they look super cool and they smell great. And I got these candles from Walmart for about $5 a piece, but these were super hard to find this year, so I'm not sure if they're going to stop making them or what, but these are their little Christmas scents. And spoiler alert, they look awesome engraved. So let's put our candle in here. I'm going to try and get my label as straight on as possible. And then we can see here that these two dots are not overlapping, and we need those to overlap in order for it to be in focus. You can do it one of two ways. You can move the knob and move it up and down, or you can do it in the software and come up here and hit this little ruler, and then it's going to auto measure. All right, so that's in focus. And so now with our artwork placed here, I'm going to frame it out. And it honestly looks pretty perfect. I'm going to move it to the left ever so slightly, and then I'm just going to go for it. So before I hit process, I'm going to hit this down arrow. I'm going to come over here to auto, to where it says auto planing, and click user defined. And then I'm going to click smart engrave, and that will make it go a lot faster. And then now we can hit process. And it's going to take under 1 minute, which is super awesome for a gift you're trying to make very quickly. So let's hit start. This looks absolutely stunning, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. So let's make a couple more. All right, we're going to do this alpine forest one next. And we already know it's in focus. And so here's our next design that we're going to do. It's this little Christmas scene I've made here. So let's frame it out. So I just got to push this up just a little bit. All right, that looks fine to me. So let's hit process. This is going to take exactly 1 minute. And that one looks really cool as well. When I designed this, I just made that offset a little bit too thin, but honestly, I think that looks pretty cool. So for $5 and 1 minute, you have a pretty awesome personalized gift that you can give to a coworker, a family member, or a friend, and it's going to look like you put quite a bit of thought into it. All right, so we have this last one of the Walmart set here, and I want to personalize it more rather than kind of a generic Merry Christmas. I'm going to put a piece of artwork here where it's the letter A with some flowers in it that I made, just to add a little bit more of a personal touch. So let's refresh our bed image. And so here's the artwork here, and then these are all my other ones that I have that are circular. So let's frame this out. That looks pretty great. I'm going to do this other one, this polygon, so I could kind of see what it's looking like too. Okay, that's pretty interesting. And then I want to see the rectangle view. All right, honestly, that placement I think is probably fine. And this one will take under 30 seconds. Overall, these are nice and quick. All right, and that also looks absolutely stunning. It just gives a nice personal touch. All right, since these ones are going to all be the same design, I'm not going to bore you and do a bunch of them and show each one being engraved. That looks pretty good to me on the placements. All right, so let's hit process. So these settings are a little bit different. The IR light, 80 power, 1000 speed. All right, and that looks absolutely stunning. And again, you have a really nice little personalized addition to the gift you're going to give. These came out looking absolutely stunning, and I really hope this helped you get some last minute gift ideas going, because I know how challenging it could be to get all your shopping done for everybody in time for Christmas when you're trying to do orders and help out people last minute. But so this is just a nice little way to boost a last minute gift, and the xTool F2 made this project such a breeze. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped and gave you an idea for a last minute gift. And I highly recommend, if you're looking for a new laser, you pick up the xTool F2, because this little machine is a beast and it can do so many different things and it's portable. I'll have links for everything you need down below. And Merry Christmas, guys, and I hope you have a Happy New Year. Catch you on the next one. See ya!